Hey, eco enthusiasts! Are you ready to explore the 5 best eco friendly products of 2025? Whether you're on the hunt for best sustainable products for daily use, eco friendly tech gadgets, or top rated green products for sustainable living, we've got you covered. In this video, we're diving into products that are not only good for the planet, but also packed with innovative eco friendly features. Stay tuned for detailed specs, reviews, and insights into the best eco-conscious products to improve your green lifestyle. Links to purchase and more details are in the description below. Let's dive in. 1. SolarWave 360 Water Purifier. First up is the SolarWave 360 Water Purifier, a game-changing product for those who are always looking for eco-friendly water filtration systems. This solar-powered water purifier is ideal for off-grid living and outdoor enthusiasts who need a reliable, sustainable way to purify water. It uses advanced UVC light purification technology to kill 99.99% of bacteria and viruses, ensuring you get clean, safe water no matter where you are. The SolarWave 360 is powered entirely by the sun, meaning you don't need to worry about electricity consumption or harmful emissions. It features a compact and portable design, weighing just 1.5 pounds, and has a 12-hour rechargeable battery for continuous use. This makes it the best solar-powered water purifier for hikers, campers, or anyone who needs a reliable off-grid water solution. Not only is it effective, but it's also made from BPA-free recyclable materials, making it a top choice for eco-conscious adventurers. 2. EcoVibe 2-in-1 Bamboo Charging Station. Next, we have the EcoVibe 2-in-1 Bamboo Charging Station, an essential for anyone looking to charge tech gadgets sustainably. This eco-friendly bamboo charging station offers Qi-certified wireless charging with 15W fast charging power for your smartphone and smartwatch. If you're looking for a green technology product to reduce your energy consumption, this charging station is a game changer. Made from 100% biodegradable bamboo, the EcoVibe is both stylish and functional. It features a built-in energy-saving mode that automatically cuts off power once your devices are fully charged, ensuring there's no unnecessary energy waste. This eco-friendly charging station is perfect for anyone who's trying to reduce their carbon footprint while still enjoying all the tech benefits. Plus, it's treated with a non-toxic, water-based varnish, adding an extra layer of durability without harming the environment. 3. GreenGlow Smart LED Bulbs. Now, let's talk about the GreenGlow Smart LED bulbs, which are not only energy-efficient lighting solutions, but also smart home-compatible devices. These bulbs are designed to save 80% more energy than incandescent bulbs, making them the best eco-friendly lighting option for your home. With a lifespan of 25,000 hours, you won't need to replace these bulbs as often, reducing waste and saving money. The GreenGlow Smart LED bulbs come with 16 million color options, allowing you to set the perfect mood for any occasion, while also being controlled via mobile app or voice assistants like Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. Whether you need energy-efficient lighting for your living room or want to create a cozy atmosphere in your bedroom, these bulbs provide flexible, smart lighting solutions. They're also made with recyclable materials, making them the top choice for environmentally conscious homeowners looking for smart LED bulbs that are both efficient and sustainable. 4. TerraTex Organic Cotton Reusable Grocery Bags. For all of you trying to reduce plastic waste, the TerraTex Organic Cotton Reusable Grocery Bags are a must-have. Made from 100% GOTS-certified organic cotton, these bags are durable, lightweight, and eco-friendly. Whether you're looking for reusable bags for groceries or an eco-conscious solution for your shopping trips, TerraTex bags have you covered. The bags are machine washable, foldable, and feature double-stitch seams for extra strength, holding up to 40 pounds of groceries or heavy items. These breathable organic cotton bags keep produce fresh longer and are perfect for those who want to transition to a plastic-free lifestyle. They're also fully compostable, making them a great alternative to traditional plastic bags that can take years to break down. If you're looking for the best eco-friendly grocery bags or sustainable shopping bags, TerraTex is your go-to choice. 5. EcoChill Portable Solar Cooler. For the outdoor lover in you, the EcoChill Portable Solar Cooler is a game changer. Powered by solar energy, this cooler is capable of keeping your food and drinks cold for up to 48 hours. Featuring a high-efficiency thermoelectric cooling system, it's an eco-friendly alternative to traditional coolers that require electricity or ice. The EcoChill cooler is built with recycled materials and includes an integrated USB charging port, allowing you to charge your devices while enjoying the great outdoors. Its weather-resistant build and easy portability make it ideal for camping, picnics, or road trips. If you're looking for the best solar-powered cooler or a sustainable outdoor cooler, the EcoChill is a must-have for anyone who loves eco-friendly outdoor gear. Thanks for watching. If you're ready to make a sustainable change, these eco-friendly products are a great place to start. Don't forget to check the links in the description for more details, and make sure to hit like, subscribe, and share with others who want to go green in 2025. See you next time!